I have a friend named Sarah. She is a girl, and I am a girl too. Sometimes, we talk about boys, and Sarah says, I don't understand men. Sarah has a brother named Mike. Mike is 10 years old. He likes sports. He plays soccer every day. He does not like to talk about his feelings. Sarah says, Mike always says, I'm fine when he is not fine. Sarah also has a friend named John. John is older than Mike. He likes to read books, but he does not like to talk about his favorite books. Sarah says, John never tells me why he likes a book. Sometimes, Sarah feels confused. She says, why don't men talk about their feelings? Why don't they share their thoughts? I listen to Sarah, and I say, I think men are different. Maybe they do not know how to talk about their feelings like girls do. Sarah thinks for a moment and says, maybe you are right. Maybe men just need more time to talk about their feelings. One day, Sarah and I were sitting in the park. Mike and John were playing soccer. They were running and laughing. Sarah looked at them and said, I don't understand why they always want to play sports instead of talking. I smiled and said, maybe they like to show their feelings through action, not words. Sarah thought about it and nodded. That's true. Mike is happy when he plays soccer. He doesn't need to talk about it. Just then, Mike ran over to us, holding his soccer ball. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Anna. Want to play? He asked, smiling. Sarah shook her head. I don't want to play, Mike. But I want to talk with you for a minute. Mike looked confused. Talk? About what? Sarah said, well, you never tell me what you feel. Why don't you talk about how you feel sometimes? Mike thought for a moment. I don't know. I just like to play and have fun, he said. I feel happy when I play soccer. Sarah smiled and said, that's okay, Mike. I understand now. Later that day, John came over. Sarah, I finished reading my book, he said. It's about a hero who saves the day. It was really exciting. Sarah asked, what did you like most about the book, John? John thought for a moment and smiled. I liked the part where the hero doesn't give up, even when it's hard. It made me feel strong. Sarah smiled. I see. You do talk about your feelings, but in your own way. As the days went by, Sarah and I learned that men and boys may not always talk about their feelings in the same way girls do, but they still have feelings. They show their feelings through actions, like playing sports, reading books, or helping others. Sarah now understands that men are different, but that's okay. We don't always have to understand everything about each other. The important thing is to respect and care for one another.